I heard the bells, they ring so clear, like whispers dancing in my ear. Golden echoes fill the air, spinning circles everywhere. Bells sound bright, bells sound near. They pull the stars, they draw us here. Ding dong ding, they sing their song. Bells sound loud all night long. They chime like footsteps on the moon, a secret melody in tune. Silver sparks that never fade, a song of love